Here at Lucid, our strategy and operations teams rely heavily on ideation and cross-functional collaboration to plan strategic initiatives across the organization. We need to have a clear picture of how company resources will be optimized and be able to identify and prevent possible roadblocks, all while establishing company objectives, key results, and measurements. So our ops teams use Lucidspark to hold quarterly planning sessions and prioritize top initiatives. Here are a few examples of how our operations teams use Lucid. Using a custom-made template, operations teams are able to warm up their brains with a quick review of company-wide OKRs. Then, it's time to brainstorm. Teams can share ideas, leave notes, and add reactions to show agreement and interest. From there, we need to narrow down all those ideas. So we use visual activities to quickly gather everybody's input. Individuals weigh in on which initiatives they think are the most important, and then we can see the aggregate results. Aligning on strategic initiatives used to take us hours of discussion, but visual activities fast tracks the entire process. And it's now easy to finalize, track, and grade OKRs simply by linking them to a master OKR document across the organization. Teams can see how they're tracking against their goals, and it acts as a single source of truth for everyone. With Lucid, operations teams can easily brainstorm problem areas for dependencies, scope deliverables in real time, and identify areas of risk before moving forward. The result? Clear strategic priorities, optimized and actionable plans, and continuous alignment across the organization.